Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You did? Really? Did that? You didn't survive that? Okay.
Your blood is everywhere.
Welcome back to our channel, and we will continue our Resident Evil 5 series with the next chapter. And here we are in the storage room. I see something. Oh yeah. And here you'll find emblem number 4. Very easy. Up on the wall.
Oh yeah.
And you open.
That's number 4.
Open the case. That's emblem number 4.
I'm gonna open the base. What's in here? Gold? No.
The base.
What is that? Barrel?
Oh, look at this chest again.
Okay, barrel. Pick up the gold. Wow, you have so much gold up there.
Yes, my pockets are very full now.
Cool.
Here is advice if you want to know more about the game. Just read them.
Yeah, so I got...
She got more gold.
Ooh.
That was... Hey.
Let me pick it up for you.
Put it in your bag.
Put it in my bag, please.
Okay, let's see. There's a boat that has sink. Look at that.
Sink. Oh.
Capsized boat.
Ooh,
Oh, there's another one. They can't drive here apparently.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's go. Where are you going?
Here.
Wait for me. What is this? Oh, booby trap. Look at that.
What?
This is a claymore. Someone wants us to run into it.
And die. Okay, let's go.
Oh no, go back. Sorry. Apparently you found another one.
Yep.
Someone ran away. I saw him. There he is.
Ooh. Oops. We shoot.
Yep.
Same time. There's another mine here.
There's him again.
Oh, there's a gold.
Yeah, take the gold. I go this way. Oh, there's a flower.
What? Where did you go? There's a flower over there.
Have it already.
Oh. I wanna climb there too.
Yeah, I can see that. I don't want that. Let's see. What is this? No claymores. Oh my god, there's dogs. Oh no, what the heck is that?
What?
Dogs! I'm running to you.
I don't see it.
You're facing the wrong way.
Oh yeah.
Excuse me.
Excuse me too, I cannot see them. I need my other gun.
I need your other glasses. Not that one. There they are.
There you go. Oh, they just moved when I shot it.
One more. Why are you shooting at it? There he is. There you go.
I don't have a good view.
Yeah, I can tell. Okay, let's go. Are you staying there all day? Let's go. Oh, there's someone else.
Okay. Wait for me.
I heard someone else. This way. I went
Okay.
here. Oh, there is one somewhere.
Ah!
Oh,
You didn't tell me that.
I heard somebody. I didn't know he had an arrow.
There, he's dead.
Let's see. Oh, claymore.
Where?
It's gone. I think we had to go here because there was a claymore there.
Okay, where are you?
Here.
Okay, I'm there.
Look for the...
Oh, shucks!
Oh, that was close. He almost threw that at me.
No.
What no? Where are you going?
Where are you? Oh, there. You go up there. Oh, there's a
What is that?
gold.
bridge.
Oh, la la.
More gobs coming.
Oh, it's nothing.
Gobs too.
Wow. Okay, let's go. Cover me.
No, wait. I think there's more. I can hear them.
He's still alive. Let me shot him more.
There's another one. There's two other. Oh no, one's a big one.
Bang.
I got the big one. Flower.
Oh, shucks, dog.
Oh no.
There's a dog.
Life.
I just don't see it when you cover your machine gun in there. Okay, I'm gonna run.
Oh no. Dog.
Where is that bloody dog?
Oh no. Ouch. Okay, I'm running out of here. Don't die.
No. It's still alive. Oh god, there's more. There you go.
Where are everybody? Take the flower now, you need it.
Okay. Picking up flowers. And no, use later. Did you pick up the
You
bangle?
need to use... No, I didn't see that.
Love, someone down there.
See it?
Yep.
What's he doing there? What's he doing down there?
Wait for me.
Here. Right here. Go ahead.
Opening time.
Yeah. I think we need to cross the bridge. There was a bridge there. What is this?
Okay. Checkpoint.
Ah, red flower.
Ooh, cool. You have a red flower. Oh, how can we go? How can we go there?
That's weird. Well, I can't go here. That's has to be there. I'm coming. Let's see. So you can't jump at all. Oh, I can jump. What's happening?
Cool. Go jump.
There's barrels there.
Yep.
Okay. So.
Oh.
Oh no!
Oh no, there's a car. Oh, shock. Oh, so close. So close. Watch out. Oh, you can jump here.
More coming.
I'm gonna change weapon. There you go. Oh. You don't have gold. I want gold.
Not very nice. Wait. Hey, that was my line.
Hi. Oh, still alive.
Yeah, that's what happens. No gold?
No. Oh, this one has gold.
That is very stingy.
Yeah. Very stingy.
Okay, to find emblem number 5, we need to turn left.
Turn left. Let me just pick
We
and...
go down here and turn to the bridge. Get your sniper rifle and look towards here. And you'll find emblem number 5. There you go.
Oh, cool. Okay, so what is this place? Heading up here. Oh,
Oh, sewers.
you go first. I'm scared in the sewers.
Hey, you want me to be bait now too, eh? What is that? Oh. Let's see. Oh my god, dogs!
What?
Dogs!
Okay. What? There are 6.
There's 6 now. Oh god.
Wow.
Only saw 3.
Are they? Are they? It looks a lot.
Maybe they.
Is it 4, 5?
Check if there's more.
That was scary.
Oh yes,
Oh,
there's
shucks.
more. There's more. There's more. I'm going home. Don't want to be anymore.
Still alive. Oh. Still
Well,
dead.
Someone died. Wait for it.
It's dead. There's one more coming.
Yeah, I see.
Yep.
I'm hiding behind your bikini.
What? I'm picking up golds.
Yeah, my pockets are full. Where do you put your gold? You don't even have pockets. At least I have a huge backpack.
Opening.
Okay. What was that?
Maybe there's some treasure in here. No?
There's a box there and a door here. Oh, a box there.
Where?
Behind you. Oh, there was gold here.
It's nothing.
Okay, door.
The door is the door is the
Where are we
door.
now? Oh, let me go first. I'll be the bait.
Okay.
Whoa, there are a lot of dead guys here. This does not look suspicious at all.
Really? Why don't you walk there?
Let's walk there.
Open the door. Oh no! What? Are they hurt?
Oh no, what is that? Oh no. I'm coming back. What is that? Bats?
They're dead.
Well, there's one more here. I think he's alive too. Yeah, he's someone too.
Where? I don't see it.
Got it.
That's crazy. Let's walk.
No,
I'm coming back. I'm coming back.